Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome to Personalities Half Hour. And here today we have our guest star. Please, sir, you're welcome.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure.
Yes, sir, we would like you to help us with an introduction of yourself.
All right. My name's Buchi Amechi. I am an origin of Anambra State, Ekwusigo local government, oraifite precisely, and I am a Nollywood actor.
Okay, thank you very much and welcome once more.
Thank you very much.
In your introduction, you mentioned Nollywood actor.
Yes, sir.
Now that's impressive. Why that profession, please?
I would say the love of entertainment. Entertainment has been in the blood. Yes, so I can't really say this is the reason for the profession. I guess the profession chose us.
Okay, I get that. Okay, as far as you are an actor, I know in movies you have things like scripts, interpretations of certain characters. I don't know, do you have any challenges you face in your career?
As an actor, well, you've asked a lot of questions like if I have challenges
In interpreting scripts?
scripts.
Yeah.
As an actor, you shouldn't have challenges in interpreting scripts. That is why you're called an actor. You should be able to read a script, understand the script, and then interpret it. So, for me, it's a no.
That's a very good one. Really. Because when they say acting, it means you can act anything. Okay, I get it. Okay, there is this question that has been coming into my mind or my ears these recent times. They say in Nollywood, you have so many instances of sexual harassment. I don't know, have you come across such or has it been done to you?
You see, these questions are very funny. Yeah, because, like you said, you rightly mentioned, you've heard. It's the same way I'm hearing. And the truth is, let's break it down in our various workplaces. You know, as a footballer, they will tell you the challenges they face. Even when you know that there are male categories and female categories, they will tell you what they face. You come down to the small churches, come down to marketplaces, even with you and your landlord, there must be something that a landlord will always want to get from you, like sort of a favor. So when Nollywood is being mentioned specifically, it will look like it's personal. But the truth is, there is no profession, there is no career that you won't find stuff like sex for whatever. Even in schools, we've heard stuff like sex for play. Yeah, so I haven't come across such challenges, and I don't pray to. But you know the rest.
Really, as you just said, it's true because commonly everywhere you go, you hear of these things.
Yes.
Pastors,
Yes.
Teachers. Well, this takes us to the next question.
Okay.
How many movies have you acted?
Countless. I would lose count if I would lose count if I really want to be specific. But the truth is a whole lot. And as a matter of fact, I just got out of set last night.
Okay, can you help us with the title of that
one? My Father's Wealth.
Oh, okay.
Produced by Buchi movie production.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, and I believe I got some rushes. It's like the promo is out
Oh, really?
Yeah, and your performance there is awesome. So I don't know. Let's just take a look and watch it.
Oh, fine.